Instead of this whole new year, new me, screw that. New year, new ingredients.
Heyo! Same us.
Oh my gosh, how much is it?
$7.
Whoa. Decided we thought Rose was cuter.
Yeah. We're getting pretzel buns.
Okay, we got one spice to try. We got popcorn too, just because snacks.
What's up? It's Kat and Deb from Two Market Girls. Today, we're going grocery shopping.
Starting the new year with some groceries.
Yeah, I mean, I like to start every day. No, not every day with groceries, but...
It's a lot of grocery shopping.
We do like grocery shopping.
Yeah, no, I love grocery shopping.
And we haven't been grocery shopping together.
In a while.
A while.
In a while.
So, we're going to go to two stores. We are in search of things, like products or ingredients that we have never really tried or cooked with before.
Yeah, because instead of this whole new year, new me, screw that. New year, new ingredients.
Heyo! Same us.
Same us, new ingredients.
I think we're onto something.
But yeah, so we're basically just gonna go and find some stuff that we haven't tried before. You know, a way to try some new foods.
Yeah, so we're gonna go do that, and we're gonna share our haul, and then we're gonna reveal the next part. This is a part 2. This is a two-parter video. Yeah.
Yeah. This video will be in 2 parts. That makes sense, right? Yeah.
I think so. Okay. Now, I feel like Kat you've done some like mental sort of being like what?
I don't know. I've been thinking about it a lot, but I don't know if I've actually, like, I thought about the questions of like, oh, what am I gonna do? And then I didn't actually think of the answer.
Okay. No thoughts. Just vibes.
Just vibes.
Vibes.
To the vibes. Difficult because you're trying to build a dish at the same time, right?
Just vibes.
Because like, we don't have to use everything we buy in the dish, right? No. We just have to make a dish with what we buy.
Yeah.
Okay. It's really expensive though.
Oh my gosh, how much is it?
$7.
Whoa.
Was that ridiculous to pay for tofu? Like really even Is that like chorizo?
Maybe? Ooh. I don't know.
What's
10 pieces? I don't know. Should we just get it and find out? I think I'm gonna get these. I've always wanted to try them, never tried them, so here we go.
I think I'm gonna pick up some Jerusalem artichokes because I've never had them, but I feel like people use them as a meat substitute.
Oh.
Not because of they're high in protein, but because they're texture. Like, I'm pretty sure Lauren Toyota's done it in one of her recipes. So I'm gonna pick that up.
Okay.
I just need to put the bag? Yeah.
Yeah.
But then there's also really fun vegetables.
Yeah.
The black radish is so cool.
I'm kind of intrigued by that one.
This it's so cool. Devin, what'd you pick up?
I got some rose radishes, just cause like...
Well, rose radish microgreens.
Yeah. Because they had like red daikon as well, but we decided we thought rose was cuter. So.
Yeah. This is what we have so far. It's so fun. Oh, and you wanted to get this, right? Oh, it's up to you. A radish can be used for a few different things. It can also be used for salads and stuff, so it's a versatile vegetable. Look how cool it is. It's so cool.
You're gonna get a...
Should we get pesto or roasted garlic?
I want to say pesto.
Okay, let's go with the pesto one. We've never tried this veganese before.
Okay.
It's our first kind of like... Actually, no, it's not our first product. Anything else?
I don't think so.
I think this is a good creamy thing. I don't
Me
think
too.
we also need to add cheese to this dilemma. I think this could be a great sandwich. So we're getting pretzel buns. I've had technically a pretzel bun before, but never this brand.
Yeah.
And only at like restaurants.
Yeah.
I've never actually been able to buy a product that I could eat. So pretzel buns.
Here we go. There's our snack.
Yeah, this is our snack. We've tried sushi before.
Okay, we got one spice to try.
Yeah. Into the cart.
We've actually got a really good haul going.
Yeah.
Are we doing too much?
I don't know, but I'm just excited, you know?
Okay, I'm adding these in. They're black rice noodles, so we're gonna try that with yeah, I don't know. We got popcorn too, just cause snacks.
I feel like I need something acidic, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So do we need anything else here?
I think I'm good.
Okay, so let's go cash out here, and then we're gonna go No Frills.
Okay. No frills allowed.
Stop number 2.
I got this.
Is that hilarious? That's something called Baby King Oyster.
They're so cute.
It's a baby king.
Had all these
mushrooms,
Yeah.
all of them. What is this?
I don't know.
Do I get it?
I'm really going in blind. So that's what we're doing here.
I like mustard and I like pickles.
You do?
We're gonna try it.
Okay. We got another one.
Has come.
It's time to try it.
Hello.
We are back
Yes,
from our frills and no frills shopping.
with our super weird haul.
You know what? We are trying new things.
Yeah.
It's not the trying new things part that's difficult. It's the having no idea where to go with those things.
Yeah, because we didn't actually say what the next part of this thing is, though.
Oh,
That's part 2.
part 2. We are gonna make something with all of this.
Yeah, so 2-part video. We got the haul. Next video, we're gonna make recipes using this haul.
That was the whole point.
Yeah,
of this.
so that was why it was like we're trying to find stuff that we haven't tried before, but also stuff that were kind of cohesive and like stuff that we could use to make food with. So I guess we can talk about what we got.
Yeah.
I got some pretzel buns. And now I've had pretzel buns before. I've never had these pretzel buns before. And I've only ever had them at like restaurants.
Yeah, finding a vegan pretzel bun, I feel like you just have to do that.
Yeah, so I got pretzel buns.
I got this
Tagine
seasoning, which is like basically a chili lime kind of
yeah.
situation, right? And so we've heard like a lot of people talking about using it, and neither of us have ever tried it on anything. So this will have to be part of my flavor profile.
Yeah, I think I might try and incorporate it into mine too.
Oh,
Yeah. I mean, you can't resist chili lime.
Never.
And then so for the protein in I guess I can't tell you, right? Next video.
You're gonna have to guess.
Yeah. What I'm making. So I got some baked tofu by the brand Wildwood, which I've never had anything by this brand. But I remember like a long time ago, Lauren Toyota said this was her favorite brand of tofu. So it always stuck with me, and I never bought it because it's expensive. I decided to go for it today. And I got, it just says savory. Sweet, salty, and zesty.
Ooh, zesty.
So I got that.
Okay, I got some enoki mushrooms. Kat's tried them. I've never tried them, but I've just always wanted to. So those are going to be in mine.
I got sunchokes, Jerusalem sunchokes, or Jerusalem artichokes. I think also called sunchokes, I think. I also saw Lauren Toyota use these in one of her recipes, and I was so intrigued by them, and I've seen restaurants use them, but I've never actually had them, so I got a couple. I don't really know how I'm going to use them, but I got them.
We'll find out. And then I got some black ramen rice noodles, just as maybe for something.
Maybe for something.
Maybe for something.
I got pea crumbs. I had to.
What is a pea crumb?
I don't know. Use it in place of breadcrumbs, and I think it's supposed to be like there's some protein in it. Again, it's pea flour.
Yeah.
So pea flour and like pea protein.
Yeah.
So I got it because I was like, I need breadcrumbs for my dish that I'm thinking of making. So may as well try this new PC plant-based product.
There we go.
Yeah.
So for my protein, I got this veggie. How do you pronounce this?
I don't know.
Seva
Peachy? No idea.
It's a premium plant-based protein by Viana.
Viana.
Yeah. I think it's just like a soy protein type thing.
I think, it's wheat gluten.
I think.
I imagine that this is a particular type of thing that would tell us what the spices are, but neither of us know what this means.
And we didn't look it up.
Listen to your heart.
I am listening to my heart.
Natalie, right?
That's why.
Listen to your heart.
That's why I bought this.
We also picked up some pesto veganese. Now, obviously, we've had veganese before. We're vegans. But I've never actually tried any of their flavored things because they have like a chipotle one, they have a garlic one, they have a pesto one. And we both really like pesto, so we bought the pesto.
And then I got some Indian eggplants, which I've never seen these in. This was in No Frills.
Which was nice, and that's fine.
So I'm going to cook those up as well. Or maybe not.
We also
maybe
got...
they won't be cooked.
Yeah, who knows?
I don't know.
We also got some microgreens. Rose radish microgreens, which are so pretty. Like, look how pretty they are.
Most millennial.
And like, I love microgreens. I've never had these ones, but I love microgreens. They're always just so expensive. But like, if there's a time to splurge, it's now.
Apparently.
Yeah.
I also got a black radish.
Right.
You're gonna do something with that as well?
Something.
Something.
I also got, this is I think my weirdest purchase. I got sweet mustard pickles. Don't know what these are, but I like mustard and I like pickles.
So curious.
So I thought these would be fun.
Yeah. Okay, and then we have like our kind of notable mentions that we just wanted to buy.
We just got snacks because we were shopping hungry. Except this. Like, what is this?
We had to try this new President's Choice.
Yeah, there's fishless cakes. We also have fishless bites for anyone who shops President's Choice products. But it only comes with 2. Like, it's very...
It was like $3 for this box of 2 fishless cakes.
It's like a personal box.
So we thought, well, we might as well pick them up while we're in this kind of mood and see what they're like.
They're jackfruit, by the way, I think.
Yeah.
So that's exciting.
So excited.
We got chocolate bars.
More exciting.
I usually get the Joker's one. I don't think I've had the Twilight one, and you haven't had the 2-for-1.
No.
So we bought them. An excuse to buy snacks.
Yeah.
And then popcorn and chips. I don't know if you can see over there, but... Oh, I got this. I'm going to try and use this in a recipe, too. We went to the clearance section of No Frills and picked up spicy bungra.
Yeah.
It's like a crispy snack, it looks like.
It's just like a wheat flour.
Crunchy snack made with wheat flour and spices.
Sounds delicious.
We also got... Devin picked this up.
Yeah. They're split chickpeas, but seasoned
And roasted, I
and
assume?
roasted. Yeah, it just says ready to snack.
Which we are ready to snack.
I am.
Clearly. And then we also got popcorn.
Jalapeno and marshmallow cinnamon?
Which I don't know what I don't understand. But, we like popcorn. We haven't tried these before. So, hence it came into our haul. These will be our snacks while we make our meals.
Yes, it's good to have snacks while you're
And then Devin picked up some things she needs for her recipe.
Yeah. Just mayo.
Regular
and
mayo and
limes.
limes. That's our haul.
Just in case.
So, I want to know what you would make with this.
And what you think we're going to make.
Yeah, let us know what you think we're going for. And also, if you have ideas, leave them in the comments below. Also, if you've ever done something like this, where you're just like, or like gone to the grocery store, one of the things that I've always thought of doing is every time you go to the grocery store, buy something new that you haven't tried before. I hardly do that, but...
We did that, but to an extreme degree today.
We did, except we bought nothing familiar.
But this should be interesting, and so not only do you have to come back to the next video to see us make stuff, you also have to see us taste the stuff.
The snacks and everything.
Definitely the snacks too. It's going to be an adventure.
Oh, but we will tell you the sushi we bought was delicious.
So good. Okay, well, we hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you subscribe, and make sure you tune into part 2. We're going to cook all this up. Yeah. Or maybe we're not.
We're just going to sit on the floor eating it.
Maybe it's gonna
bite into an eggplant.
Raw.
It's our raw feast.
If you want to see more grocery hauls too, like we can
do more. Yeah.
I
like buying things.
Also, this isn't how we normally shop. Like, this was
chaotic.
We let ourselves be free.
Be free.
Budget wise and all.
Yeah. Really budget wise at Organic Garage.
This was, yeah.
I mean, we'll have leftovers obviously, but like I got so many buttons.
Doing this for the video.
The gram. Oh, it's not the gram.
Do it for the
2.
Content.
Yeah.
Content.
All right, now we gotta start our next one.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi.
Hello.